Every time your phone buzzes and lights up, your concentration breaks. You pick it up, check one text, and 15 minutes of doom scrolling later, you've lost your flow. But nowadays, you can leave your phone in the other room and still have 100% control. Today, we're mastering remote iPhone control. Half of this video covers the native, free Mac solution, and the second half is dedicated to the best ways to get this working on any Windows PC. Hi everyone, we're OneConnect, a social enterprise based in Glasgow. We aim to empower individuals by increasing technology and digital participation. Part of the profits from our organisation go towards running our free IT classes and befriending events in the community. If you're on a Mac, you have iPhone mirroring. It's built in, encrypted, completely free, and it just works. But before you click on that icon, let's just make sure your hardware is ready for 2026 speeds. You'll need a Mac with Apple Silicon or a T2 security chip, running Mac OS Sequoia or the newer Mac OS Tahoe. Your iPhone needs to be on at least iOS 18. Both devices need Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on. For the best experience, keep them on the same 5 GHz Wi-Fi band to eliminate input lag. The first time you launch the app, you'll unlock your iPhone to trust the Mac. Make sure to select Authenticate automatically in the app settings. This means you never have to touch your phone or enter a passcode to start mirroring, it can just stay in your pocket. There's a few shortcuts you can use with screen mirroring too. Your mouse is now your finger. Not like that. Click to tap, click and hold to long press, and use 2 fingers on the trackpad to swipe. But the real winner is the keyboard. Here's a tip, memorise these 3 navigation shortcuts. Command in 1, go home. Command in 2, app switcher to jump between your open mobile apps. Command 3, spotlight search on the phone. You can even hit command and the plus key to resize the window. Perfect if you're using a tiny mobile app on your massive 27-inch monitor. And now Apple have levelled up again. In 2026 the integration is deeper than ever. You can now drag a high-res video from your Mac's Finder and drop it directly into a WhatsApp chat or the phone's Photos app. No airdrop, no waiting. As an Android and PC user, I admit I'm pretty jealous of this. I have to transfer photos and videos from my phone to my PC quite often, and I need to mess around with uploading them into the cloud and downloading them onto my computer. I know you can share files more directly than that, but there's always a bit of friction to it. If it was this easy, it'd be a lifesaver. Plus, your phone's live activities, like your Uber status or a football score, now live in your Mac's menu bar. Click it, and the full mirrored app pops up instantly. Around the halfway point of these videos, I normally advertise our website, but for the next few weeks I want to let you know about our Digital Confidence Programme. Click on the link below for more info and to sign up, but what you need to know is that it's in person, it's free, it starts in March, it runs for 15 weeks, we've got structured learning classes every Tuesday and weekly drop-ins every Friday, and again, it's free. Now Windows users, I've not forgot about you. Windows users, you don't have an official app, but you do have something like Visor. For some it's the gold standard for high-speed professional control on a PC. Now the catch is, it's not wireless, which I know might be a deal breaker for some of you. And you might be thinking, oh, what's the point if my phone's still within arm's reach? Well, maybe get a USB cable that's just long enough so it's annoying to go up and get your phone. Visor uses a USB connection to create a high-speed data tunnel. It kinda tricks your iPhone into thinking your PC mouse is a Bluetooth accessory. To set it up, install the Visor app and the iOS companion app. Once you hit Start Broadcast on your phone, your screen immediately appears on Windows. And for the cost, it's pretty budget friendly. The free version is alright for testing, but the pro version is only $10 a year. If you're a power user, the $40 lifetime plan is the best value tech purchase you'll make this year. It gives you high definition, wireless mirroring and full clipboard syncing between Windows and iOS, and the currency will automatically convert when you sign up. But if you just hate cables, I understand. AirDroid Cast is your best friend here. It's unique because it has a web version, meaning you can control your phone from a computer where you aren't allowed to install software, like your work PC. To use your mouse and keyboard on Windows, you have to pair your iPhone to your PC via Bluetooth. This allows your PC to remote control your phone's cursor. As for the cost, it's more of a premium choice. To get on AirDroid's cast and control plan, you're looking at around $3.50 a month or $30 for the year. It's more expensive than Visor, but its ability to work with any web browser and the fact that it's wireless makes it incredibly versatile for commuters. Now, if for whatever reason these apps don't work for you, I've included links for Lonely Screen and Reflector, which seem to do the same thing. There's just only so much I can fit into a short video. So which one is right for you? Well, if you're a Mac user, no brainer. Use the native app. It's free, fast and secure. If you're a Windows speed demon, grab the Visor lifetime license. It's a one-time $30-ish investment for zero lag control. And for office workers, go with AirDroid Cast for that browser-based flexibility. And for tech tip videos like this, I know people prefer you get right to the point, so I've saved this part till the end, but why would you want to do this? Well, there's a few reasons. Firstly, hold focus. I touched on this at the start, but it's much easier to keep concentration on your work if you quickly check a notification on one tab and then switch back, rather than physically pick up your phone, get distracted by the bright colours, and then all of a sudden you've lost an hour. Secondly, posture. Trust me, being sat in an ergonomic chair, feet on the ground, eyes level with the screen, using a keyboard and mouse is much better for your neck, back, shoulders, elbows, thumbs. They've been rounded over in that C shape all day looking at your phone. And thirdly, looking busy on a Zoom call. Of course, I would never condone this, nor have I ever done it myself. But imagine you're on a Zoom call at work and you want to check something quickly on your phone. Doesn't look very professional, does it, being on your phone with your work colleagues there to see? But if your phone is on your monitor, well, that can be our little secret. Stop letting your phone distract you. Pick a tool, keep your hands on the keyboard and reclaim your focus. Let me know if you'd like to see a similar video about Android phones. Once again, check the link below for our digital confidence programme, and I'll see you in the next video.